You will be amazed by this 2018 Nissan Titan. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's an all-powerful Nissan Titan, the full-size pickup that's refined on the inside and rugged on the outside. Connected tech, potent towing, beefy payload capacity, and driver assist safety features let you tackle every challenge with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, bed liner, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, dual zone AC. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.